pull for emergency exit. Well, this is an emergency entrance. I don't think I like that sound at all. So you got to do this. We hit something here and it knocked all of our little spiky things off. Hey everyone, Mike Your Wrench Mike. I am back with another video at one of my favorite places on earth. This is IAA this time in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I gotta tell you, I'm seeing lots of cars that I have not seen before. So I think we are going to get off to a really good start. Holy crap, I've never seen one of these before. Well, at least here at IAA. Yeah, check this out. We have ourselves a Dodge Viper. I just saw this and I came a running. Absolutely. I don't know what year it is and I don't know the damage and I don't know much about it. Let's see, it's a 1999 Dodge Viper with keys and with a little bit of damage. Okay, maybe more than just a little bit of damage, but how cool would this be to restore? Oh gosh, there it is. There's the engine. There's the money machine right there. But we have issues, okay? Fiberglass. We have a broken headlight. The front bumper, I think it escaped without any damage. I think we're good. I think it just kind of ran into something like right through here because we have a brake line right there. Let's see, what else can we find damage-wise right here? Look at the tires. Pilot Sport, Michelin, yes. And there's a little bit of tread left on them, just a little bit. And look how they had to do the door to come out and match the hood. These are such amazing cars. Yeah, my good friend Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds had one of these. And he was dumb enough to let me drive it. And I was dumb enough to jump in the driver's seat. But look at this baby girl. Oh, is this locked? Uh-oh. I hope we can get in. This looks like it comes right off. Holy moly. How cool is this? Someone has already removed this, so I think I might be able to get in. Let's just kind of see here. She doesn't want to let me in. What's going on? Hey, baby girl, come on. We just don't have power and that's why you're not letting me in? What is this? Here we go. Okay. Is this an emergency? Pull for emergency exit. Well, this is an emergency entrance. Yeah, we have another warning sign. Hot exhaust pipe below door opening. Don't touch this. Okay, I don't see the pipe. Maybe it's behind there. Here we have some floor mats. I can just tell by the feel. We'll put those over on the other side. And let's just see. I think the windshield is probably cracked. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, so yeah, the windshield is cracked right there. Believe it or not, they got the oil changed at Tires Plus. Yeah, let's take the Viper to the, well, I don't want to say cheapy place, but okay, that's come off, as they say in England. But look at this. Oh my goodness, only 38,000 miles. Abso-freaking-lutely. Oh my gosh. And there's the clutch on these things. I got to reach way down. I need to grow longer legs. I really do. And someone, of course, they leave the key in this. And they leave it on so no one else can come out here. Yeah. Doggone it. Sugar daddy. I sure wish I could look in the trunk. I don't remember where the batteries are on this thing. But look how nice this is. For $99, the car is 24 years old and it only has 38,000 miles. This is unbelievable. You got your Alpine stereo, a little cubby hole right there. This thing is gigantic, huge. You have an Alpine radio. All your controls right here. I'm just looking to see if there's a You got your window switches here. Windshield. What is this? Oh, this is for your mirrors, I bet. Yeah, I bet that's for your mirrors. Why? Why do you do this, people? Why? All right, well, I can't, doggone it. I just can't get in the trunk, and I can't find out where the... One thing you will realize, getting in and out of the Dodge Viper is a deal. In fact, look. In fact, let me show you. This is my head. I'm not super tall. I'm not. I'm 5'9". Okay, on a good day, maybe 5'9 and a half or a quarter. But look, getting out of this thing is, you can't be graceful. You cannot, because you've got to pick up your knees. You got to do this right here, and then that second leg just doesn't want to come out. And then you got to kind of lie down like this. And you got to kind of slide your rear end over the bump. And then if I come up like this, I'm going to hit my head. So you got to do this, and then you got to use this. See, that's how you get out of a Viper. There's no getting around it. There's so much car right here, it's hard to get out of. All right, well, here we go. There's your nice looking little moneymaker. I love it in red. I really, really, really do. Of course, the loss type is collision. Gosh. Okay, once again, 38,000 miles on this 1999 Dodge Viper. Oh, it has different tires in the back. What was on front? A Michelin Sport. And now we've got something else. There's a Michelin. Yeah, Sports on the front. We got Toyo tires on the back. Don't know why. Maybe they just were on sale. Maybe they needed to buy. This one has just about as much tread as the other one does. Anyway, all right. This Viper could be yours if you're the high bidder here at IAA in Tulsa. We are off to a great start. We're looking for another car to kind of show. Oh, ooh, yowza. Tell you what, if you have an E-Class, they will sacrifice themselves to save you. Look at this. Wow. Okay, sorry about the camera work, but this is bad. Wow, from the front and then from the side, all kinds of airbags have gone off. But if you'll notice, the cockpit where the people are is fine. It really is, even though the hit was tall up here, like right around here. Don't worry about my shoes. The people are fine. These E-Classes are one of my favorites ever, and they will sacrifice themselves so that you can walk away from an accident. Unbelievable. All right, let's see what else we can find right here. We have some pickup trucks. Honda Civic right there. I'm looking for different kinds of vehicles. I know you guys get tired of seeing the same things over and over, so I'm looking for something that's a little different, and I'm looking for one that is spectacular because there's one that I want to bid on here. And yes, it's a Mercedes, but it's an AMG, so we gotta be very quiet about it. All right, let's see if I can find it. Well, here's something you don't see every day. I haven't seen one of these here. This is the 2012 Lexus CT200H for hybrid. Yeah, you can see it right there on the door. It's a hybrid. And this one has some damage in the front and the back. Look at this. Okay, so this isn't major in the back. So far, it looks okay. This might be able to be replaced. Looks like you can put a couple of bolts in there. Little crack here, and they tried to duct tape it already. This is your damage. Oh, they were kind enough to cut it out so we could see exactly what's going on. Okay, well, this is mangled, but you're not going to see that part right there. And you can see this is how they cut it. Right there, these are the remnants of that. This looks a little askew as well. So yeah, if you're good with welding and bodywork, this could be the car for you. This is cool though. I like this. Where do you see the inside? There's a sneak peek right there. Okay, front damage. I don't see a lot of front damage. It just looks like they ran over a parking thing and then tried to back off. And that kind of ripped the front Bumper off. But let's go inside and see what we've got. We'll go this way first. Build up the anticipation. Ooh. You know I like this basketball color. There's all your pieces. So it looks like they've removed part of the interior right there. Man, that's a lot of stuff for just a little damage. Did they remove it over on this side too? No. Okay. Well, that's a lot of stuff. Let's take a look right here. See what's happening. I see a light, so we have some power, which is really good. Let's back this up. They're going to be moving some cars and trucks around. Here we go. This is what it looks like. You know, I've never been in one of these. Look at the grooves, the pattern. There's a little pattern on these seats. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's put our foot on the brake. So we have power. She's coming to life. She is ready to go. We do have some, almost 3/4 of a tank of gas. And there it is. It just started. Okay, well, I don't know what this is. It looks like the state of Oklahoma, but the panhandle's kind of weeping. I don't know, maybe it goes like this, and it looks like state of, I don't know, what is it, Mississippi, Alabama? I don't know. Anyway, ooh, that's weird. Air conditioner works. Old school navigation right here. We do have the check engine light on, and 202,000 miles. Wow. Okay, so it's kind of showing us what's going on. If I can clear this up right there. Can you see that? It's just dusty in here. There it is. This is kind of cool. See how you can maneuver your little, right here. You do get this. Enter. There we are. It found us. It's that quick. We have a USB right here, 120 volt power. Passenger heated seats. Driver's heated seat. Push normal. Okay, this is, I'm just kind of taking it all in right here as we're looking at this. This is really cool. There goes the Nissan Maxima, or an Altima rather. There it is. This is nice. You get a nice little sunroof. I don't know what that is. Oh, it looks like it's the lamination is kind of coming off. Thought it was an emblem or something. But the AC is nice. It is nice and cool in here. Very nice. Okay. Well, I tried to put her, I'm just shifting through the gears right here. And now the doors have locked. She's trying to lock me in! Okay, well, when a car tries to lock you in, I don't know. That's kind of scary. Let's see what the engine looks like. Check that out. Oh, she's a dusty girl. There's a little bit of a wonky sound right there. I don't think I like that sound at all. Your hybrid system, your little engine system, coolant looks good, brake fluid looks good. Engine sounds weird. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, well, we're gonna turn that off and we're gonna move on, but here you go. Yeah, Lexus CT200H. All right, we're gonna start here because this is why I came over to see this car. And as I pull out, yell out the name of the car. All right, if you can figure it out. Look at these things, and they are kind of sharp. I don't know why somebody would do that. I really don't know. But these are, what is this, ESR wheels? Don't know. Okay, we're pulling out, we're pulling out. Let me know. Do you know? Yeah, you can tell. You can tell right there. There it is. It's a Mustang with scary wheels. I don't know why. Why would you do this? Does it make you cool? Maybe. I don't know. Hood pop. Okay. We're missing headlights. It looks like the wiring has been altered a little bit. We hit something here and it knocked all of our little spiky things off. Yeah. So you find a new one of those wheels. Oh, well, then it gets worse. Yeah. Wolverine got a hold of this. It's a 2016 Ford Mustang. And look at this, these are bent. That is scary. Woo. Okay, and boy, they had this car all fixed up. Yeah, all this is, they even had a little wing on it back here. Very cool. Yeah, this is a car. That's all I can say about it. This is definitely a car, and I can't get in on the other side because I can't remove the wrapping. If the car is wrapped, you cannot get inside. Here's one headlight. There's your headlights inside. This is what it looks like with that louver system in the back. That is kind of cool. I like it on the inside. The wheels would have to go. They really would have to go. She does have power. Let's see if there's anything in the trunk. Yeah, the trunk's not opening at all. Yeah, I can't get this to start. Apparently, see, we have some glass right here at the bottom. So, yeah, that's still got the sticky stuff on it. So whatever, when Wolverine attacked, he was angry and he broke the window out as well. But this, woo! Yeah, I didn't anticipate all that damage on the other side. Let me see if this even opened. No, it didn't open at all. All right, so we can't start it. This is huge damage, especially how expensive is that going to be to fix right there? That's a lot. And judging by the wheels, somebody got in here. Oh, this one's broken too. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so this was I'm going to say a young man's car, and he drove it hard, and he hit something very, very hard. That's a mess. That is a hot mess. Well, what do you think about the Viper? Ooh, that was nice. That was so nice. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it started. That's okay. Not a big deal. That would be a risky purchase though. But how much is the engine worth alone on that thing? Wow. All right, just a great example of what you're going to find out here at IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're going to continue hunting for more cars and trucks and find something that I want to take home. In fact, I'm 2 rows away from it right now, so stay tuned for that video. I already gave you a big hint. I'll show it to you. Hopefully, I can find it, all right? Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. Bye-bye.